Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make churros no oil. You can enjoy this classic treat in a healthier way without the need for deep frying. We'll be using an air fryer or oven to achieve that perfect crispy texture. This method is surprisingly simple and uses ingredients you likely already have in your pantry, making it a fantastic option for a quick and delicious dessert. First, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a boil, then immediately remove it from the heat. Next, stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour vigorously until a smooth, thick dough forms. Finally, add 1 large egg and mix thoroughly until the dough is completely smooth and well incorporated. This forms the perfect base for your churros. Now, transfer your prepared dough into a piping bag fitted with a star tip. Carefully pipe your desired churro shapes onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. For oven baking, preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 15 minutes, or until golden brown. If using an air fryer, cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 10 minutes, flipping halfway through for even crispiness. Once your churros are baked and still warm, it's time for the delicious coating. In a shallow dish, combine 1/4 cup of granulated sugar with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Roll each warm churro in the cinnamon sugar mixture until it's fully coated. Serve your delightful, oil-free churros immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, like chocolate or caramel. Enjoy this lighter, yet equally satisfying, sweet treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.